This visualization represents the default state of most standard AI models. Every time you send a request, the system processes it, delivers an output, and immediately wipes the slate clean. It wakes up to every new prompt with zero memory of the conversation that happened seconds prior. In the software industry, we call this a stateless environment. If an AI cannot remember the context of a previous interaction, it cannot handle follow-up questions, correct its own errors, or execute multi-step workflows. To solve this continuous amnesia, we have to engineer a robust, context-aware memory architecture. Today, we are going to build one from scratch, using Python and the official Mistral AI API. While we are starting with a simple multi-turn chatbot, constructing this specific memory array is a strict prerequisite. You must understand this mechanism before you can build the advanced multi-engine routing systems we will look at later. Look at these two timelines. The top shows the erratic, disjointed nature of standard stateless requests. The bottom timeline demonstrates what happens when we engineer a continuous, stable memory array. The nodes are connected, allowing information to persist and inform the next action. Maintaining this timeline transforms the AI from a tool that answers isolated questions into an agent that tracks the evolution of a task. We start by installing the official Mistral Python SDK and initializing the Mistral client class. This client acts as the foundational chassis that holds all of our agents' logic together. Mistral's API structure categorizes data into three interlocking roles. The first is the system, sitting at the top to define the agent's core logic. The user and assistant are dynamic interaction layers operating entirely within the system block's boundaries. When developers talk about system prompt engineering, they are referring to configuring this top-level block. It serves as the hard-coded rules engine governing the entire interaction matrix. You must define this exact hierarchical structure in your Python code. If mapped incorrectly, the API rejects the request, making multi-turn context impossible. Let's translate that theory into execution. By setting up a chatbot client class in Python, we initialize an empty list to store these structured messages. This illustrates the mechanical logic of state management. Whenever a user sends a prompt, we append it to our continuous array. Once Mistral generates a response, we immediately capture that output and feed it right back into the list. Because we send the entire ever-growing list to the API with every single turn, the model always has access to the history of the conversation. To make the system production-ready, we load the API key from a .env file, keeping our secure credentials entirely out of the source code. This looping process of appending messages to our Python array is how machine learning systems simulate a physical memory. Now that we have a functional memory array, we can scale it. Context awareness is the launchpad for a much larger software ecosystem. By adding conditional logic to our Python script, we can build a multi-engine routing framework. The memory array serves as the single source of truth, but the processor handling the array can change on the fly. This diagram shows how that routing works. Our central memory array can dynamically delegate tasks. A simple calculation might route to an efficient Mistral model, while a complex reasoning task routes to OpenAI or Google's Gemini, all while preserving the exact same conversation history. By implementing this routing logic, the script coordinates multiple specialized models through a unified memory stream. Mastering state management enables the construction of autonomous systems that can maintain complex context across thousands of tokens. Examine your own tech stack. Are you building on Mistral's open architecture to maintain flexibility, or are you locked into OpenAI's ecosystem? Drop into the comments and tell us your routing strategy. Thanks for watching. Visit us at gateofai.com.